Yeah.
I can do some here, babe.
Oh, okay.
Oh, there.
Okay, guys, jumping guys. Are you situated?
Not yet. Howard's not.
There we go.
You have the fishy going above you.
Look at these, having a mud ball.
The crocodile.
Giraffe in the background.
Yeah, giraffe in the background. Hippo here. Impala under the tree. Little sandpipers and
Those guys are trying to catch fish. Look at him.
He's way back there.
I see other little.
He was walking through the line of trees back there. He's eating off of one of the trees, you see.
You see this? No.
Oh, he's gonna lay down. Oh, he's laying down.
Thing down here in the water here, anything or just something floating around?
What's
Get my
that?
binoculars right now.
Oh, right here.
Yeah.
this is where I lie, and we're lying right next to the road over here.
It's a duck or a goose or something.
Okay.
Kind
I
of
see
golden color, rust
I
colored.
see now,
Egyptian goose,
Yeah.
male and female. You have a pair at every waterhole. They like claim their little piece of real estate.
Storks, the hippo, elephants, and the eagle. One shot.
What storks are those?
Those are the, let's see, we'll look and see what stork says.
All four of them on the side.